Did you know that using Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Skip the Dishes can make you around $40 to $50 an hour? What's up, guys? Welcome back with another video. This channel is all about making extra money with side hustles, being financially free, and awakening the entrepreneur within you. So in the last video, I showed you guys how to open your DoorDash Dasher account, which is the second step we needed on our way to make $40 to $45 an hour with food delivery. In today's video, I'm gonna explain the last step that we need, which is our Skip the Dishes account. So again, we're going to be using Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, and DoorDash simultaneously to deliver food. And in today's video, it's going to be a tutorial, a deep dive on how to open your Skip the Dishes account. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So you want to go to the App Store and then write Skip Courier. And then you will see here the app's called Skip the Dishes Courier. That's the one that you want to have. So you're going to click on download, and then you're going to download the app. So once you do that, you're going to open it. And it's going to look like this. You're going to go ahead and click on create account. Accept all. So you're going to put in your information as usual. We've done this before. So put in your personal information. Perfect, guys. So once you put that, you're going to go ahead and create a password. Perfect. So from there, you just follow along, and then you complete the other stuff. So how did you hear about us? Again, doesn't really matter. So you're going to put in your address here. So at this point, guys, you want to select your zone. So Skip the Dishes is going to ask you which zone you want to work in. So you want to work in the most busy zone. Usually that's downtown, right? So like if you live in an area, I don't know what area you live in, but you want to basically select the busiest area in town, which is usually the downtown area. So you're going to go ahead and select that zone and then add. So that's it, guys. All you have to do is just follow these steps, put in your information, select your zone, and then you're going to be good to go. You're going to have to upload your documents. They might do a background check. As usual, you just follow the process and then you're good to go. Also, guys, you have access to a portal for Skip the Dishes. So you can basically log into your portal, and then you can check the status of your documents. You can upload some documents, and you can change your profile picture. That's a really good place for you to just go and update your stuff. So the portal, you can have access to it on courier.skipthedishes.com, log in. So you would put in your email and your password. There you go. So once you log in, it's going to look like something like this, and you have access to your profile. You can purchase bags if you need bags from Skip the Dishes. You can see your earnings, and over here at the top right corner, this is where you can add your banking information. You can upload some documents, and a bunch of other things. So yeah, I just wanted to let you in on that little thing. So there's a portal that you have access to. I'll see you guys inside the app. All right, guys. So I'm now inside the app, and my account has been approved and everything. So this is the Skip the Dishes platform. And so the way Skip the Dishes work is that you have to schedule yourself a shift, right? So you can't just like go out on the app and then, for example, put yourself online here and then start getting deliveries. You need to schedule yourself a shift. So the way you do that is that you want to go to you want to go to that scheduling icon, and then click on go to open shifts. And then as you can see here, you have like shifts that you can pick from. And for example, today, Friday, or tomorrow, Saturday. And then you can toggle between days and pick up shifts. So that's basically how the app works. And then once you schedule a shift, and this area that you selected that we talked about before, it's going to unlock for yourself. And then you're going to go online, and as you, once you schedule the shift, the area is going to send, the app's going to start sending you deliveries. So you can like start getting on the road. So that's basically how the Skip the Dishes work. So you guys can literally just start delivering as soon as today, and schedule yourself some shifts and start earning some money.